Okay, people, after some years you do a test and you found out that this happened. You see it, not all is working on this nice printer. It's very easy to solve it. Take it out, I mean the printer head, like that. Take it out and use a very wet towel on this side here. Clean it. Please use a very nice shape towel. After that, a dry towel. Put it back. And and after that you get it like that. Or if you want to see, to make a test page, turn off. Okay, this is not so easy. Hold this button and the power button at the same time. It's a little bit complicated to show, but then it should make a nice test picture. And yes, it is working. I have to turn off. I don't want to do more inkjet ink things away. Okay, bye.